Look at his chest. When he turns around, he is look at that. What is that? I've never seen that color. I'm gonna have to look up this bird. Has to be some kind of male bird, but look at that throat or that chest. It's like emerald green. Iridescent. What is that? Wow, you're beautiful. You are beautiful. Look at you. Y'all help me out with this. What is this bird? I'm going to look it up as soon as I'm finished recording, but wow. I thought it was mock up there, and I'm like, wait a second. This boy's got some green on his chest, or blue, or... Look at it. I know the washer in the background's oscillating loud. I had to capture it, though. I didn't want to startle him away because he has some pretty colors. And he's not a blackbird of any kind. He's got markings. I don't know. I've not ever seen a bird like him in my life. I mean, not that I'm aware of. I've never seen those colors before. We've been having a lot of beautiful birds around here lately. Just look at that color against that blue sky. I'm glad he stopped by. You're such a beautiful sight to see. I'm sorry about the background noise, y'all, but wow. Oh, is that them ravens coming over? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I missed them. Sorry, it got blurry, and I missed them. I'm pretty sure it was the ravens, not the crows either. Oh, sorry. Gotta get me a better camera. Look at this beauty. I'm just mesmerized by your beauty. He's gorgeous. I hope y'all have a beautiful blue sky day. Enjoy it.